Hello, welcome to the world of Korean language, where learning Korean is made easy. Today, we're diving into a special category of Korean consonants, double consonants. KK, TT, PP, SS, JJ. They're fun to pronounce and can even change the meaning of words. Let's practice together and master them perfectly. Ready to get started? Explanation of Korean double consonants.
상점,
In the Korean alphabet Hangul, there is a special category of consonants called double consonants, or tense consonants. These consonants are formed by doubling certain basic consonants, and are pronounced with more tension and emphasis. List of double consonants. There are 5 double consonants in Korean. Double consonant name in Korean romanization pronunciation.
쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒.
Characteristics. Pronunciation. Double consonants are pronounced with greater tension in the vocal cords, making them stronger and more distinct compared to their single counterparts. Example.
각, 가, 닷, 따, 밥, 빠, 사, 싸, 짭, 짜.
The use of double consonants can change the meaning of a word. Example.
굴, 꿀, 달, 딸, 발, 빨, 살, 쌀, 잘, 짤.
No aspiration. Unlike some single consonants K, T, P, double consonants are unaspirated. This means no extra puff of air is released when pronouncing them. Why are they important? For Korean learners, mastering double consonants is crucial because they are widely used in daily conversation, and are essential for distinguishing meanings in words. Without proper tension and pronunciation, misunderstandings may occur. By practicing these sounds with a focus on tension and clarity, learners can achieve more natural and accurate Korean pronunciation. How was today's lesson? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. See you next time.
안녕.